Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapper and Chronicles. Coming back at you with a little bit of a tool haul, a small tool haul from one of my favorite stores, Harbor Freight, and kind of a lesson on how not to pay full price at Harbor Freight. So we got actually in this pile we have a variety of discounts. I think four altogether. We have the dollar days here, a couple of dollar days. We have an open box, and we have an instant savings. And this weekend you also get a 30% coupon off anything or most things, $10 or less. Yeah, $10 or less. So you allowed up, I think it's up to 5 items you can get that are $10 or less, and they'll discount 30% off. So yeah, so this is just some of the stuff I picked up, and as I said, it kind of nothing here was full price. So we could start with the Gordon snap blade utility knife. This is on their dollar days coupon menu. So this one was actually $1. This usually sells for $2.29. So over 50% off, so pretty good for $1. It's got the metal insert on the handle, not just plastic. So kind of a little bit stronger than the usual just plastic knives that they have. And this is made in China. And here is some of the features on that. So I forget until when, but I think it's for a while. This is $1. I think they just changed it this week, where they every couple of weeks, I think, I'm not sure, they changed their dollar days items, and I think they just changed this week their dollar days. And another dollar day item was this caliper, the plastic caliper. Kind of cheapy, it's plastic, it's nothing, no bells and whistles on it, made in China. This was also $1. There's SAE and metric, 6 inches. Yeah, this usually sells for $2, so it was 50% off $1. It's okay for quick measurements of stuff, or pretty much you can give this to your child as a toy or something for $1. It's not bad. Another thing on the dollar day menu is not everything is $1. It goes, I think, from $1 to like $8 or $9 usually. Don't ask me why, but that's what they do on the dollar menu. Yeah, it goes anywhere from, they have items on there, not only like the cheap items, but they also have kind of in between items like this impact extension set 4-piece. This is the 3/8. There are some specs here, the sizes. And this one's actually made in Taiwan. This usually goes for $8 full price, and now on the dollar menu this is $4. So 50% off of this also, which isn't bad, because in reality you can use these as a regular extension, even though you're not impacting anything. It could do both, it could serve double duty as an impact or just a regular extension. And this is from the open box stuff that they have at Harbor Freight. Usually in my Harbor Freight is towards the back of the store. They have a little like a couple of shelves there, space for open box or missing item stuff or whatever, and they'll have a discount assigned to each, and depending on how long it stays there, they keep discounting it, I think, until it eventually sells. They keep lowering the price. This is the 3/8 drive 7-piece impact swivel socket set. 7-piece usually, but here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing one, so that's why it was an open box discount. Here are the sizes missing. This one's missing the 10 millimeter. So yeah, it's an important one. 10 millimeter. That's pretty much the most popular size, I guess, but it does have 12 and 14 and 16 and 17, so it does retain some other popular sizes. And this one usually goes for $30, the 7-piece set, and I picked this one up for $18.98, and it was double stickered because it was already, the price had already gone down. They put a new sticker with the new lower price because it didn't sell. I don't know how long they leave it on the shelf, maybe a week or two, and if it doesn't sell, they keep putting other lower price stickers on it. So for 19 bucks, I said, yeah, seems okay. 3/8 inch set. I did say this was Taiwan, right? Yeah, made in Taiwan. And this is a double discount, actually. This is the Icon Professional Scraper Set. It says set, but I don't see any set except for this box. Anything added to this except for this box of blades. So I guess that's why they call it a set. Has 10 blades there included. Has the Icon handle there. This is made, of course, designed in the USA, manufactured in Taiwan. So it's, as I think 99% of their products, Icon, it's made in Taiwan. So it's pretty long scraper here. Here's some of the features on it, and item number, and blah blah. This will come in handy for me because I just got my registration sticker, my new registration sticker. So I guess I'll be able to use this to scrape off the old registration sticker. This one, originally the original price on this is $13, full price, and they had it on instant savings. So this is an instant saving item, and instant saving was $9.99, $10. So they took off $3 on an instant savings. But the thing about instant savings is that you can apply coupons to it. So the 30% coupon that is going on this weekend, you can apply it to the instant, whatever is on instant savings that's lower than $9.99, so, or $10. So this was on instant savings for $9.99, so the 30% coupon applies to it. So I got this for $7. So kind of one of the few times where you can do a double kind of quote unquote coupon savings at Harbor Freight. So not a bad price for $7. Original price was $13. So there you go. Yeah, this is the stuff I picked up. Like I said, a couple of various savings here. Nothing was full price. Most of the stuff was about half price, I would say, on all these items. So a decent amount of savings. And remember, I'm always begging for likes and subscriptions. So if you would please like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. All right, guys, until next time.